First up, remove the tough stems on the kale by pulling on the leaves and the stem will slide right off. Now the best way to wash any kind of greens is to submerge the leaves in a big bowl of water, let them sit for a few minutes, and then lift them out of the water so all the dirt stays behind. Now we need this kale to be super dry, so wrap it in a towel, bring it outside, and swing it round and round. Now this uses the same centrifugal force as a salad spinner, but I find this way to be a lot more fun. Place the kale on a large baking sheet and rip some of the larger leaves in half. Then use a towel to absorb any last bits of water. Dryness is key for crispy chips. Hit them with some olive oil and salt and then rub them together really well to make sure each leaf is thoroughly coated with the oil and salt. Place them in a 325-degree oven. Any higher than that and they can easily burn. So keep an eye on them and bake for about 20 minutes or until they're totally crisped up. And just like that, you're ready to snack.
Can you hear them?